Today I'm going to show you how to view the inspiration section in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick clicks. This is a really useful feature if you want to discover content ideas, trends, and creative direction faster without wasting time searching around the platform. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you are logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation bar. If you don't see the option you need right away, click on More in the left navigation bar. This will open up additional tools and settings that are not shown in the main menu. Once the expanded menu appears, look for Creator Studio and click on it. Creator Studio is where X keeps several creator-focused tools, including the section we need. After that, inside Creator Studio, click on Inspiration. That will take you directly to the Inspiration section, where you can explore ideas and see what's currently useful for content creation, and that's it. You now know how to view the inspiration section in x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide.